In Unit 6, you'll learn about listening to give short answers to questions. We'll be looking at some steps you should do when giving short answers. In the listening task, you may have to give short answers to questions. To tackle short questions, there are some steps you can do before listening, while listening, and after listening. Here's a task to set an example. Here's what you can do before the recording starts. First, go over the task instructions. According to the description, you do not have to write incomplete sentences. Then, you should pay attention to any WH questions. For instance, what indicates that it's looking for facts? After that, you can predict what kind of information each question is asking for. In this example, it is asking for training programs. So, you may be looking for nouns or noun phrases. Finally, count the number of bullet points to check how many answers you need to give. Some questions require answers with more than one part. While you listen, make sure to follow these tips. Pay attention to the key words in the recording that match the questions. For instance, this line mentions training programs, just like the question. Main ideas or answers are usually repeated in the recording so that you know it's important, like workshop about discrimination. Also, make sure you write down the keywords you hear, like online classes. Now, here are some things you should pay attention to after listening. Check if your answers are complete and accurate, spelt correctly, and grammatically correct. In this sample, the part of speech for these answers are nouns or noun phrases. Keep note of the plurality as well. It should be, he has planned online classes, and not online class.